welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of one of nature's most extraordinary creations, the snake. These remarkable reptiles, often misunderstood, inhabit every corner of our planet, from the lush rainforests to the arid deserts. Get ready to be amazed by their incredible adaptations and fascinating behaviors as we uncover 5 astonishing facts about snakes you probably didn't know. Our planet teems with life, and snakes, in all their diversity, have secured their place across the globe. From the sweltering sands of the Sahara to the humid depths of the Amazon, snakes have adapted to thrive in a myriad of environments. Their cold-blooded nature allows them to conserve energy, making them perfectly suited to life in even the harshest conditions. But there is one continent where these remarkable reptiles are conspicuously absent: Antarctica. The frozen wasteland, with its unforgiving temperatures and lack of prey, proves too extreme even for the hardiest of snakes. Their absence from this icy landmass only serves to highlight their remarkable adaptability elsewhere. Whether it's the Gaboon viper lying in wait amongst the leaf litter of the African rainforest, or the sidewinder slithering across the scorching dunes of the Namib Desert, snakes have carved their niche in every corner of our planet. The ability to fly is a marvel of the natural world, often associated with birds and insects, the quintessential masters of the skies. Yet, high in the canopies of Southeast Asia, a certain serpent has evolved an astonishing method of aerial locomotion that rivals even the most skilled flyers. This is the paradise tree snake, a creature that defies gravity with its remarkable gliding ability, a true marvel of nature. Unlike birds with their feathered wings, the paradise tree snake has no need for such elaborate appendages to take to the air. Instead, it relies on a remarkable transformation of its own body, a unique adaptation that sets it apart. Launching itself from a branch, this arboreal acrobat flattens its body, creating a surface area that catches the air like a living parachute, allowing it to glide gracefully. This remarkable adaptation allows the snake to soar through the air, covering impressive distances between trees with ease and precision. Its body ripples with controlled movements, adjusting its trajectory and ensuring a safe landing on its target branch, a feat of incredible coordination. The paradise tree. Snake's aerial prowess is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution, showcasing the extraordinary lengths to which animals will go to navigate their environment and survive in the wild. Chapter 3. A World of Sense. The world of a snake is a sensory tapestry woven with vibrations, heat signatures, and a symphony of scents. Each flick of its tongue adds a new note to this complex melody. While we humans rely heavily on our eyesight, snakes have evolved a unique and highly effective method of experiencing the world around them: their tongues. This adaptation allows them to sense things that are invisible to the human eye. The snake's tongue, forked and flickering, is not a weapon or a tool for taste, but rather an extension of its olfactory system. It is a sophisticated instrument designed to gather information. With each flick, the tongue collects microscopic particles from the air, capturing a chemical snapshot of its surroundings. This process is akin to taking a photograph of the environment, but with sense instead of light. These particles are then delivered to a specialized organ located in the roof of the mouth called the Jacobson's organ. This organ is crucial for interpreting the chemical data. This remarkable organ, lined with sensory cells, decodes the chemical messages carried by the scent particles. It acts as a translator, converting chemical signals into actionable information. It's here that the snake's brain pieces together a detailed picture of its environment, identifying prey, potential mates, and even predators lurking nearby. This ability to decode scents is vital for its daily survival. This intricate system of scent detection is crucial to the snake's survival, allowing it to navigate its world with remarkable precision. It ensures that the snake can find food, avoid danger, and locate partners, making it a master of its sensory domain. Chapter 4. A Gentle Giant. In the realm of snakes, size is often associated with fear and danger, yet the title of the world's longest snake belongs to a creature that subdues its prey not with venom, but with brute strength. This is the reticulated python, a giant among serpents, capable of reaching lengths exceeding 30 feet. Found in the rainforests and wetlands of Southeast Asia, the reticulated python is a sight to behold. Its massive body, adorned with an intricate network of diamond-shaped patterns, glides effortlessly through the undergrowth. Despite its intimidating size, this python is non-venomous, relying on its incredible strength to overpower its prey. When hunting, the reticulated python lies in wait, its camouflage concealing it perfectly amongst the foliage. Once an unsuspecting prey item wanders within range, the python strikes with lightning speed, its powerful coils constricting around its victim. The python's grip is relentless, each breath the prey takes tightening the coils further until it eventually succumbs. Chapter 5. The Art of Fasting. In the animal kingdom, the need to feed is a constant drive, a relentless pursuit of sustenance. Every creature is engaged in this never-ending quest for survival. Yet, snakes have mastered the art of patience, evolving a remarkable ability to endure long periods without food. This unique adaptation sets them apart from many other species. This incredible feat is a testament to their slow metabolism and efficient use of energy. Their bodies are designed to maximize every bit of nutrition they consume. Unlike warm-blooded animals that require a constant intake of food to maintain their body temperature, snakes have a different approach to energy management. Snakes, as cold-blooded creatures, can afford to be more economical with their energy expenditure. They rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. This allows them to survive on infrequent meals, sometimes going weeks, months, or even a year without eating. Their ability to fast is truly extraordinary. After consuming a large meal, a snake's digestive system goes to work, breaking down the prey and extracting every last bit of nutrition. This process is both slow and meticulous. This process can take days or even weeks, during which time the snake enters a state of prolonged digestion. It is a period of intense metabolic activity. During this period, its metabolism slows down, conserving energy and allowing it to survive on the reserves stored within its body. This remarkable adaptation ensures their survival in the wild. Outro until next time. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of snakes. These often misunderstood creatures play a vital role in their ecosystems, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts about the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring,